Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Carla Rachel Balingit, 37 years old. I live in Zamboanga City, Philippines. I have three children, ages of 18, 17, 13. I am a high school graduate. My work here in the Philippines is a helper nanny. Way back 2010 to 2017, 5 members of the family, ages of 45, 42, 12, 9, and 3 years old. My everyday duty is cleaning the house, cooking, washing, ironing, and marketing, and also taking care of the 3 years old kid. 2018 to 2023, I also work as a helper nanny for members of the family, ages of 42, 39, 12, 8 years old kid. My everyday routine by waking up early in the morning to prepare the breakfast, some snacks to bring in the school, and to help them. After that, I starting to cleaning the house, taking care of the dogs, washing the clothes, ironing, and gardening, and to pick up the two children from school. Ma'am, sir, if you will hire me, I will do my responsibilities with love and a dedication. I hope that I will be the part of your family. I am honest and hard work. Thank you so much.